what would be the survival strategy? So there's a thing that you criticized not being true that I guess in Jurassic Park, not moving.
Yeah, it's nonsense. They can see really well. Like I said, like T-Rex has giant eyeballs. People don't realize that because, like whales and like elephants, it looks small compared to the size of the animal. But what is really important for vision is absolute size, not proportional size. And absolutely, their eyes are gigantic.
Probably the biggest on Earth at that time.
Yeah, a guy called Kent Stevens did a paper, and he's got a really nice graphic of it. If you just put Stevens T-Rex, there's the one with the there we go. That's the one with the googly eyes. That's a baseball or a tennis ball sized eyeball. And when you think about the incredible visual acuity of something like an eagle, which has eyes not much bigger than ours, think about what that's going to do. And we absolutely know there's been loads of studies on this in mammals and birds and other things as well, that basically eyeball size correlates with visual acuity, and that can fold in two different ways. It can be like general sharpness, like how well can you see a long way away? So eagles and vultures is really important. Or it can be good in low light.
And I now discovered that there's a Nature Was Metal subreddit.
Reddit. Yeah, for
which is
gnarly paleo things. Yeah, I come across it occasionally.
For dinosaurs, let's see what's the top post of all time.
Oh, that's a glyptodontid.
Our Argentinian farmer recently found a 20,000 years old fossilized cryptodon.
So these are giant armadillo-like animals with club tails.
Interesting. Wow.
Oh, that's Black Beauty. That's at the Royal Tyrrell Museum. So giant eyeballs, they can either see very well, they can see a very long way in daylight, or they can see very well at night. And my suspicion is it's the latter. I think they're probably primarily nocturnal when they get that size.
Well, not moving might be a good strategy because it's cautious because it doesn't understand what these primates are.
Yeah. But I think if it starts coming towards you, if you're truly in the open, then you're in real trouble, and I'm not sure what you do. I mean, the one advantage humans have over almost anything else on Earth, there's a handful of exceptions, is we have range. I can pick up a rock and hurl it with reasonable accuracy. Most things can't do that, and animals probably don't like being hit in the face or hit in the eyes with a rock at a range, because, again, they're not going to know how it's happened or how to respond to this. All they know is they're taking damage, and that's bad. And that might genuinely be enough to do it. I wouldn't want to try, but again, if I was dumped on a plain or a prairie with nothing else but a T-Rex that was interested in me, it's worth a shot. If you're in the forest, I would try and get behind a tree. They're quite good at turning. There's been a couple of nice papers looking at like the mechanics of the foot and the ankle and how quickly they could like pivot. But we're much better because we're just so much smaller. So it would be very kind of Looney Tunes, but I think you could go round and round a big tree, right? Yeah, but much faster than it could.
Yeah.
And so it's going to get bored or lack interest sooner or later.